Jury deliberations in the dee-warner murder trial are on hold until Tuesday. They deliberated yesterday for about an hour, and we're going to restart this morning, but that didn't happen. Melissa Andrews is live in Adrian with more this afternoon. Mel, what's going on with the jury?
Well, Amanda, they are on hold until Tuesday at least. We were told this morning that they were going to come in and I'm talking about the court. The court was going to enter into the record some of the evidence that the jury had requested to see while they were deliberating for that short time last night. But when we came in this morning, we were told that a juror had a medical issue and that 3 remaining alternates had to be brought in to be questioned individually to make sure they had not seen or read or talked about the case. The judge then interviewed them essentially one by one to ask them whether they had gone home after deliberations yesterday after they were released and had any conversations or watched any coverage. Take a look.
Did you read any news reports, watch any news reports about the case?
I just seen the news last night, said it was in deliberations.
Okay.
Of course, everybody I'm sure is going to interested.
Okay. How long of a news report did you
just
watch?
Just night news.
So let's do a little math here. So we need 12 jurors. 4 were dismissed yesterday. One of them, the 2 attorneys stipulated to dismiss that juror, we believe, because he had fallen asleep previously in the trial. So now we're dealing with 3 jurors. Those 3 were called in today and questioned. Each of them said that they had gone home and watched or tried to watch coverage of the trial. They all said that they had conversations with their spouses or other family about their participation in the trial. Opinions were shared in both directions during these conversations. We don't know whether that's going to be a problem or not. What we do know is that it was clarified that this original juror, part of the remaining 12, did have an emergency, and then it was specified it was not a medical emergency. So our understanding in the media is that those 12 jurors will come back on Tuesday morning, and then the other 3. So we have 15 jurors to work with right now. We just don't know whether them watching that coverage or having those conversations is going to play out in any way as far as these deliberations go as they resume on Tuesday morning. Reporting live in Adrian, Melissa Andrews, WTOL 11.
All right, Mel, thanks for the update there. You can watch all of the previous testimony in the dee-warner murder trial right now on WTOL 11+, which is free to download on your TV. We are bringing you extended coverage tonight at 6:35 after the news at 6. A former assistant prosecutor and current assistant professor of law at the University of Toledo breaks down what we've seen so far and what's next in the case.